Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Apple Intelligence in iOS 18.3 to reclaim storage space. So I will just tap on my settings iPhone and simply just tap on it journal and make sure your software has been updated to the latest version of iOS 18.3. So my iOS is up to date and I will just go back in settings. So you will just simply find in the scroll down right over here the Apple Intelligence, but right now I will not see because I will use the old model of iPhone like 12, but you will be able to this feature in iOS 15 to 16 models. So make sure you will have iPhone 15 or 16 and you will just open your settings, and when you just navigate to scroll down, and there is an option below Siri, the Apple Intelligence. So you will just tap on it and simply turn it off, Apple Intelligence. So because sometimes it will unnecessary reduce your battery and affect very bad, so that's why. So if you want to turn it off, this Apple Intelligence, so it's only in feature in iPhone latest model 15 or 16. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.